We are live. That's stupid. I gotta find another shirt. This shirt's stupid. I got a vibrant shirt. We're out here. Brennan, what are you doing? What's going on, guys? I'm just gonna get straight to the point because you came here for learning. Okay, so you got Adobe Photoshop. If you did not get Adobe Photoshop, go get Adobe Photoshop. Just take the principles from this lesson. That'll be just fine. Okay, you're gonna want to hit Create New. Start off, before you even create it, you want 920 width. You want to change that height to 1080, and you want that orientation to be this way. Yes. Then you want your resolution to be 300 by, or 300 pixels inch. You want that one. RGB color, you want 8-bit, and you want white. You want your background to be white, or it can be black. I don't discriminate. You're gonna go ahead and hit that create button. Now we're in. We're here. You're gonna come with your little mouse, you go down this little button. That's add another layer. See that layer? That's good. You just created another layer. We are going to go to the interweb. We're gonna go with my boy Jimmy. Alright, so assuming you have your own picture. Hello? Phone calls, man. You know what? No distractions. Oh. So you got your picture, and you wanted to make it nice. Listen closely, because I don't repeat myself. Also, I don't repeat myself. So, I'm gonna do Jimmy first. We're gonna drop Jimmy. What you're gonna do is come over to the pencil, and you click on it. So what you're gonna do, because I don't know any better way to do it, is you're gonna very tediously crop Jimmy. It's very simple. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now you can zoom in. Okay, zooming is so incredibly important. You take two fingers and you go whoop. Make sure you get that ear real good. Once you got all of what you're gonna do crop, connect it to your first line. Okay, now it will be a complete crop. Okay, that makes it whole again. Is you're gonna double click on it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click make a selection. Okay, now feather radius, no. Just hit OK. You're gonna come over here, and you see that little camera? That camera takes a picture of Jimmy. No, it doesn't. You don't know how to Photoshop. That makes him whoosh, just disappear. That's a very important part, or else Jimmy will not be cut out. Now we're gonna come over here, and this is the grabber tool. You can move him over just like that. We want that clickbait. We need him big. So now we're moving on to Felix. How do we do that? We create another layer. Now that we have our additional layer, we are now going to drop Felix, who is in so much lower quality. We're gonna Photoshop Pewds. You click it, you go bam, blam, clickbait, clickbait. Now we have our clickbait. Now you have Pewds in your grasp. You're gonna double click and then hit that make selection. If you hit anything other than the make selection, you won't make it. Now you take a picture of Pewds with the add layer mask picture thing, and boom, you have, dang it. All right, when you make mistakes like this and Pewds' chair it's right there, hit Command Z. That brings you back. Command Z brings you back. Command Z brings you back. Command Z brings you back. Bingo. Now make a selection. And the feather radius, say it with me, kids. No! Like that. Now we have a Pewds with a 9-year-old's arm. So now what we're gonna do is move Pewds this way so you don't see his arm. If you need to enlarge your Pewds, you click on Pewds. You hit Command T. That should give a little square around Pewds. You make Pewds bigger. You see what I did there? I hope so, because I hope so. Now you add another layer. Once you have your next picture, drop the picture. It may look funny. It's okay. How do we save Jimmy? I'll show you guys. This is the layer. Okay, it's very simple, I promise. Grab the layer and pull it under Jimmy. Okay? And now it pops behind Jimmy because it's a layer. You say there's white lines on each side. I say that is a problem that we can fix. Click on the money. Hit Command T on the money. It makes the money have a blue square. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna hold down shift with your finger. From there is you wanna grab it and go, whoop. You're gonna come over here and do the same thing. Don't click on anything, hold shift, just like that, click it, and drag it to size. It looks kind of bland. It needs some spice. Click on Jimmy's layer. Go over the FX and click the FX. You're gonna wanna go to outer glow. Now you can adjust this. I like making them fairly big because I am overly excessive. Drop shadow. Make sure you have a drop shadow. You want the opacity all the way up. That's gonna make it real thick. You want your distance low. You want your spread at 100%. I don't prefer noise, it's just annoying. You can adjust the size to whatever you feel like. You can use it on text too. I'll get to that. Here's how you do it. You click the text button. That looks terrible. A lot of people would leave it like that. I'm not even kidding. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of Pro because I want Pro to be a different color. So you gotta make a different thing for it. Pro's gonna be black. Okay, Pro's gonna be black. It's kind of bland. It's kind of like mingled and it looks bad. Do the same thing. Click on the Leica and you hit the FX. You do the outer glow. This is not bland. This is bland. So now we can click on it and do this, the Command T. Okay, we can make it big. You can also do this with text. You can go shift, grab, and pull it down a little bit. We have a thumbnail! This is the beginner's guide. So if you guys did not know how to do this, that's how you do this. So at least, like, you know, unless you want to get into like super advanced stuff, you know, then, you know, learn on another video.
Whoa. Editor Brennan here. Just letting you know that this is, don't go watch another video. Watch more of my videos on my channel where you'll find awesome videos that you'll never see anywhere else because I'm the only one who makes them. Please subscribe to me. Thanks.
And just for you, because I love you, I'm gonna pull this one. Watch this. You guys aren't gonna believe this. You ready for this? Oh my gosh! What even happened? I love you. I thank you. Hit the subscribe button because I love you. Don't forget to thank me for this tutorial because you wouldn't have been able to do thumbnails without it. That was awesome of me, and you're welcome. It's totally cool. I'm gonna peace out now. I love you. Please subscribe to me, and you're welcome. If you don't subscribe to me, I'll tell your mom. Okay, bye.